I don't rush, I align. I don't chase, I define. I don't fold to survive. I create, I design. Turn my triggers into teachers. Made my boundaries into prayers. Now my nervous system whispers, I got you everywhere. No more guilt when I say no. No more shrinking to be kind. I don't justify my glow, it's been mine the whole time. Peace is my default, no need to earn it. I walk like I'm worthy, don't need to affirm it. Soft in my power, loud in my still. I don't force the river, I just let it fill. Peace is my default, my non-negotiable grace. I keep my joy sacred, you won't find it misplaced.